Hello and welcome to another episode from the Department of Deportation. Today we're going to be taking a look at two recent court victories that are massively positive for the immigration front. First being in California, where raids are set to continue as they had been, and in Florida, where Alligator Alcatraz is back open for business. Don't forget to like and share this video and follow our channel. So, first up, as was expected, that activist judge from South Florida, Kathleen Williams, who we did some videos on closing Alligator Alcatraz, well, surprise, surprise, she's been overruled and Alligator Alcatraz is back open for business.
It was giddy that somehow Alligator Alcatraz was, quote, shutting down. And we told them that that wasn't true. There have been illegal aliens continuing to be there and being removed and returned to their home country. But they ran with the narrative because some leftist judge ruled implausibly that somehow Florida wasn't allowed to use our own property to help the federal government in this important mission because they didn't do an environmental impact statement. Well, we said we would fight that. We said the mission would continue. And I'm pleased to say that the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals has just stayed that ruling and stayed the case. So Alligator Alcatraz is, in fact, like we've always said, open for business. The mission continues, and we're going to continue leading the way when it comes to immigration enforcement.
So there you heard it, Alligator Alcatraz is back open for business. Which, by the way, if you haven't seen, our channel has these sweet custom Alligator Alcatraz shirts, unlike anybody else's, that you can find on our Etsy store, link in the description. So the other recent court victory that we need to celebrate is the Supreme Court ruling that immigration raids can indeed continue in California. The overreaching ruling that was trying to attempt to eliminate any ICE raids without a warrant in the entire state of California obviously was a total farce. So it got overruled, and now we are seeing where the raids are definitely going to be continuing. And I just want to give a big props to Nancy Mays for that amazing picture that I used for my cover photo. And one last quick side note related to these raids, and of course I have absolutely no idea how true this is, I came across it on X, but it looks like foot traffic in some of these Home Depots was down 10% because of these raids. Well, guess what? If Home Depot gets a little bit less traffic because illegals are no longer doing construction jobs or self-deporting, well, that's a trade-off that I think is going to happen. Anyways, that does it for this episode. Don't forget to like and share our video and give my channels a follow. And don't forget to visit our Etsy shop and departmentofdeportation.com for all the latest merch.